In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn on sensitive content on your X account, formerly Twitter. Turning on sensitive content on Twitter lets you see a wider range of stuff, like important discussions and artwork, even if it's a bit controversial. It helps you stay informed and supports people's right to speak their minds. To do this, simply head into your Chrome. It can be any other browser of your own choice. Make sure to log into your Twitter account. On your homepage, tap on your profile icon right here. Then scroll down onto the option of Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, select this option of Privacy and Safety. You will have to click right here on Content You See. In the section of Display Media that may contain sensitive content, make sure to mark on this option. When enabled, Twitter will always share sensitive content to your feeds without any warning, such as media might include sensitive content. You can undo any changes at any time. That's how easy it is to enable sensitive content on X. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.